Hello, everyone. My name is Philip Weiler. I'm just doing my reflection for our Section 5 online resources. The first question was we had talked about three of our favorite websites. I didn't really have three. I had two that I really liked. I had the Utopia and the digital textbooks. I thought those were both really cool. Um, with the first one, I thought it was kind of neat how it talked about a bunch of different books that you can go through and look at and read and get a bunch of historical and educational facts from them. I thought that was neat how they had it all laid out. And I thought the digital textbooks one was also really cool. I thought it was cool how you could look through textbooks and you could also watch videos and different things on that. And I thought that was great as well. And I thought that that could be also useful. I know we have it here at our grade school, but not a lot of the teachers even use our digital textbooks. Um, a lot of them don't even really try to use them. They don't even log on or look through any of them. So our school's kind of wasting money on it. But I think if you can find a way to use them, I think they're great to use and great thing to have for your classroom. Second part of the question was about the QA, is what I'm going to call it. I thought it was really neat. I thought it was cool how you could build your own activities and you can build quizzes and different things like that for your students. I kind of messed around on there, made something for like a spelling list and something for history, and those were both really cool. Um, I made it pretty simple, which I like that. You can make it really simple or kind of hard to depend on what age group you need. And I think this is something we could use in the future, and I think that having the ability to use some of these resources that they gave us in this section, like the QA and the other websites that they showed us, that you can go through and find textbooks or videos or um, just make your own stuff on there, let alone having students have their own accounts and then they can interact with each other. I thought that was neat. I thought it was cool too that you could use flashcards on there so people, students or teachers could go on there or parents even and make up these flashcards and help their students learn um, the different things they could use to help them learn what they need to for the class. Um, a lot of the things I didn't get a chance to look all through everything, but I did get a chance to look through a majority of them, and I just thought it was great. And anytime we can use technology, hence the class, to help us in a classroom would always be helpful, not just for ourselves, but for our students and also for the parents too. I think being able to use technology and explaining things, especially in our own voice, the way they see us as a teacher, telling the students exactly how to do things, especially at home, like if they're sick or something, they could always use that. And I think that's one of the things I pulled from this section was how much technology we can use it at our own disposal at home or in the classroom. But hopefully everyone else had a good um, time going through the section and hopefully everyone had a good week.